Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making and showing you how to get an auto clicker, an easy auto clicker for pretty much any game, and I'm going to be testing it out on like a Roblox game because you can do it pretty much on like Cookie Clicker, any other clicker game, but there's a lot more people that use like Roblox or something than Cookie Clicker, so I'll be showing you how to do that. And make sure to check out, he's been very supportive and he's doing a lot of live streams and he's getting a lot more subscribers than me for some reason. I just wanted to shout him out because a while ago he wanted me to, and that was when I had like 30 subscribers. So make sure to check out his channel, and hopefully you're watching this. Hello, Legendary Tester, how's it going? Also going to be doing live streams and other stuff, but let's get on to the auto clicker and I'll tell you other stuff later on. Okay, when you get the auto clicker, it will be on your actual files. I'm going to show you how to get it, but first I'll show you how to open it when you got it, because I might not put that in the video. So what you would want to do is go to here, and this is pretty much what it is. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be showing you how to get. You can pretty much do how fast you want and stuff. I'll show you that later. So what you want to do is I'll put the link in the description on how to get it, or the link to go to the download. So I'm gonna go there right now. Okay, once you go into the download, or once you go into the website that I put in the description, this is a pretty easy process from here. There's no scam, no anything. It won't make your computer slow unless you put the click speed like 5,000. It will make your computer slow unless you have an amazing computer. Pretty much all you have to do is click the download button, and I'm going to download it again because I can just delete it. So it's going to say it's going to download shortly, and once it downloads, it should be coming down to this bottom. You can barely see it, but it will be down in the bottom left of your screen. You want to click on that, and then there you go. It'll be in your files. It might not pop up right away, but it'll be in your files, or it will pop up right away. Pretty much you can close that tab and head over and grab this. I'm gonna head into Roblox and show you how this thing works, and I'll see you there. Okay, for example, I'm pretty good at this clicking simulator, and this is when I wanted to get an auto clicker because I realized I'm not getting very far in the game and it's taking me a while to actually get a lot of clicks. So sorry if you can hear my keyboard. I'm gonna be changing that out soon. Actually, it'll be Christmas, and I know that for a fact. So yeah, sorry if you can hear my keyboard or mouse. I'll get a different one soon. Okay, so as you can see, I'm pretty good at this game. I did have this on overnight, but I'll show you how the auto clicker works. So it pretty much will always be in your taskbar, but if it's not, then just go into your files and open it up. And so what you want it to say for the status, by the way, I'm showing you the details of this. The status should be idle, so that means it's working properly and it's ready to be set up. The clicks, that will tell you how many clicks you have. So if I click right here, okay, well, it'll tell you how many clicks you have. So this is where you want to change how many clicks you want. I personally use 500 to 700 / if you want to go lower, like 100. If you go higher than 1,000 maybe, you will get serious lag and it will cut down all that stuff or whatever. So I would say put it at 500 to 700 or under. That's pretty good. So the trigger is actually, don't look at the number, okay? This is what tricked me when I looked up how to get an auto clicker. Don't look at the number it says. So go onto your keyboard, or first click on this with your mouse. So once you click on it, okay, make sure that when you click on it, you don't click it twice like I did. So now once you clicked on the trigger button, remember, don't look at the number. Go on your keyboard somewhere, and I like to use Control because it's out of the way of my fingers, but at the same time I can still click it. So once you hit Control, oh, there you go. So I hit Control, and it gave me 17. That doesn't mean I click 17 even though it's not a number. I can just click control and it will be my like on and off switch for this clicker. The next thing you want to do is I changed mine down to 0 because I had some malfunctions. So 500, and so right now it's off. Okay, yeah, so right now it's off, and you can either have it on is press or toggle. I like to put it on toggle. That means you don't have to always be holding down it, especially control, since I don't actually always have my finger on control. And I recommend don't using your left side of your mouse for the on and off, because that will totally mess it up and you will never be able to like stop the auto clicker. So use a button that's close to your fingers. At the same time, you won't always accidentally click it. So the stop at, you don't need to mess with this. I don't think, and I've never seen what it does. If you want to test it out, you can, but I'm not recommended to because I don't know what it does. But if you want to try it, you can. And back to here, press or toggle. I'll show you what that is, and then you want your mouse key to be at the left side of your mouse. So you can close that by just tapping the screen. So as you see, there's a clicker right here. I'm just gonna disable that actually because I want to show you me getting money. So all I have to do is press control, and you can see how it's moving up and down. It's also laggy moving my mouse because it's clicking just so much, but all you have to do is just click control again or whatever button you have, and that will change right away. So once you click on it, you can see it's moving up and down. That means it's clicking super duper fast. And if I actually go get rid of my money by rebirthing, okay, so now over here you can see on my screen just a little bit, it says 380,000 whatever. I can barely actually see it. It's 380 billion I meant. And you can see how fast this will go up when I hit control. So look up here on my namer tag and you'll see. So as you can see, it's going very, very fast, and it's very I don't think it will actually get you banned if you're using it in Roblox, but if there's only 3 people in here, like 2 people, I guess you'll be fine. So as you can see, yep, it's going super duper fast. It's working. You have to hit control. I'll show you what the toggle and press does. So the press, I don't use it because then I have to press it. So if I hit control, it stops. So I have to hold it, and I can still walk. I can't really walk around actually. So yeah, you have to hold it, and when you stop holding it, it turns off. Pretty simple. So that's why I like using toggle, because I can just press it and then unpress it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The other thing I guess is stop. I guess if it's not working and you really want it to stop really bad, I guess just hit the stop button and it will stop. You can also see how many times I clicked, and boom, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you liked this video. Make sure to check out like I'll be putting my TikTok in the description. It's like not a big account, it's still growing and stuff. Make sure to check out that. If the Discord link works down below, make sure to check out my Discord. You just have to join it or whatever, and I post some stuff on there, and I have a small percentage of people on there. Oh yeah, by the way, my things will go faster when I add my pets to like that guy. Anyways, join the Discord down below. It would be useful, and we can have a good time like playing any game pretty much. And make sure to check out my streams, also the other things in the description. And I like when you guys comment, so maybe make sure to leave a comment down below. That'll be very appreciated. A like. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys comment down below if you want more tutorials. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See ya.